But I said, Shebia, my memoir, China, Ben was so Bedwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So Ghana and Nkomo Brene Asuno, Achia and so Emuye. Quick one, me for win Chamuma na fi Nkomo Nankasa. So my father said, to Ghana Police Service and Mr. Bibrese and Adia. Community police won't commodine, Ako hear me pa. If the ever told Ghana say, community police for now be crano, or true statement, no more arrest, no more night patrols. It be fear me, sir. It be fear 9. Oh, if you num nifa. Eti e kire wo se, police adwuma no de, wona wura mu hu de ewo wo mu nyina. Eti adesede ne se, ehihye be na mudi gu akwam se de be ya, ye nua ma no so a, ebi ne ma active in your service no for 3 years, 4 years, 2.5 years. Na mo ntimi regularize your mo do na ntimi make system no. Na mo mom access to certain confidential and classified information. I don't know I hu kakra mai no. Eti yesre say on sha sem fa hye bi ngu akwam said there be Badwam community police na and they all true statement na also call night patrols na also arrest no mo fa mo ntiti ye kakra na aka no so say ye train news say e na fi mo mpie na share regular police service because amasa dodo na hweti kokwan chen a e be wie ne hu susan so no yankasa de besa buy so asoban very important it ye hwe ne hwe yi say yempe exit plan be my community police for no and na say ye be di ombetu eye regular police service ni ma mo fa hyehyɛ bi ngu akwam e ade enim se mbotima ent we de mo nya ne ntem na afi community police for no so no ohun omo bobre ni omo hyebre yi pa de to so biem aposifo uniform ne ho Nkomo na sa ba biem hwa aposifo do na aka and say be kokoto machi e be wie de be ko e be pam ni nyina no wo be wie na o de ka be 520 cedis Ghana police service aposifo ntade a won hye ana material won hye no so de se ma kwanya ma aposifo ahase apempama enye na asemo sa na dodo na amaye na mresante bisi na no pa me no kase ti Ghana police service se mu tie na supam nko ade a posi ni koto uniform akotua 520 cedis se the person look neat e ma my Ghana no na posi na kase no kase ojidama tusre isi kase be se ti esre police uniform hon komodie ni omompa bo hon komodie no asaba app biem monhwe na montutu enioma yie ene aposifo adwuma no emu pagya emu mia eye ani so kakra woni fratwede no tie be stresse ye be ma aposifo na nkasa so woni di dwuma ma ye no woni betima Kenya omo ho na omo asetenem de omo yidi na omo ho sisi no e be ya de hia kese pa timisre Ghana police impanyifo from administration to welfare to the topmost personalities in COP Kofi Boache COP Yohonu and then mami tiwa kwa rakopie we yoku wona aka COP sinyina no wona administration any a trader kasa era dampare doctor monfan tutua ne hihye ngu akwamu na uniform ho komodie no entimi ndi mu na enwie pe na pose for so wona kukudu no enwie pe because who pose ni biatade a na ho ni mpabo a so who post ni biatade pa na ho ni mpabo a na osia film yen pese e bedu sa pempen so no 2022 eti ne yebo mo nkai ne yebo mo kokose mo ne na mo nko omomoa afa bedu wesu ma ote enkwanhia ho Nkomo de onyame adom afi etwa mu no na wie honom no onyame esoso mu kakra ya hweye ene emodin bo oso mu kakra even though okra ba kompokra fi mu a enya de papa ya shafu fufura se 2022 de no adaye kote edi pia edi shafu fufuro no e asefim mesre a driver for ne ye na ye a passenger for ne ye nanti account car owners station master ne akwantimpon ho hihye nyina no mesre every day any who kwan say be ritual de biara da ye bo ho dawru sa na akwanhia majority of this akwanhia no so no avoidable dodo na ho ade a ye betimi atwe ho afiri ho eti obia koso a certain responsibility. So a driver new, so a passenger new, so a myself, so a car owner, so a station master. So how you people go when you know, you cabo munya a certain responsibility. And that make answer the baby bonya, a fear chum quiz. And I said, Utimikasa. Or Shankanino, a shana or can, and go here, as Utimikasa. Passenger news out to shame one, as to me a phone. Afi driver ni nso awutwa nchachia baby are overtaking o car tie and as ese otimi kasa station master nso a one a driver for any regular conversation now check 1 or 2 bits ese otimi pega omu It is a say a memory a manchi chiriani a kuo boring and any three for a collective responsibility. If we say and conscientia unimu this year unibushenium, the sabo across Ghana this year SF free. Yadachi ahimfo, Yadachi Mashibijafo, Yadachi assemblyman, teacher for central for presidents and Ekosano. Say o minor bia na ofapem kwanhia twi nipa dodo ne kono na o man omu ye haba etiemi ani nko 2022 se nkwanhia ho nkomo no ye be dia di ni ye na afa ye tu ho anamo ya anamo papa e be boa ye pa asema meka bia me hia me kese pa se afi atwa mu no e ba na wie na me hya ase kai NCA for se eni die o mo fama Ghana for dodo na ha adwene me so matworo krata ba abonte no mo say plans are far advanced. We are thinking of doing this, we are doing this, we are doing this. It's in the pipeline, it's on the drawing board. No NCA ebre wom kwan so nya normal times e betimi aye sa ye be bo ape so te se sardine nipa e ko 20 anya additional bia ebre Ghana card insurance ba no e kwa ye fa so e tu djuma. Now, George Anderson, so I try to attend me to chairman because Onimdia was adding, but Onimdia in a chino, Master say, a Juma be cautionary sin to a woman, Mamma from Onimdia 7 Emmy. A sinto, Yan ye sinton to me and Queen Gaza, Sadia with the BCB, make I say voter registration exercise, it's as a man yourself for and no demo interest or more to me, you know, registration centers over 20,000. I didn't think any fancy shabby soon work with Sa ni pe bo peso Omicron pensu COVID pensu yentimi fa hye ngu akwama ebetimi aboa ama ye de anidi ama ye ho na ye di bo nso ama ye ho ama same registration is so easy and flexible for all of us. That's how the deadline to say March dey twa to kra no wa won twere odi say the be boa Macron no na ewudie ni enoma ensem fata ni pe bim de card ye gitum pepepe. The fact is ye gitum no so nkire se eni ho kwan se ene technology breso no yentimi fancy shebi nwu akwam emanipa ntimi register the card onkoda ho 4 am 3 am 5 am ni nyina echi ni kra no dodo na ntimi sa register mo card maka ebe ya sa mo match ending nhihye ne de muntungu baabi if mo anwene se de ebe koso ni mo ankasa mo anwene yie se de ebe koso ni etu be hu no na ye o se 31st March na nipa nyina e bo presu kiki e de ade eba e de nsem fata eba na afi nyoma eye nipa dua na kasa mo fa didie man na Ghana citizens na mutiti ese ye ho man mo so ho man yo be du ba bia mo mie hu sampa mo dwene because most of you mo better some offices na be mo some card registration amount, so you know have the feel of what is going on the ground. Adwuma bia wo yi anso nipa wo fo mo no dodo na anya ho fa so ante wase amom ho anhare omo a wo a wotisro no mdue if the wo the order ho to office wo ho na the machine papa eti ye kakra na de wo bunu agu aso ntia se. If you don't change the system na tumi a wo na na free so na be diki no so bia wo se car na ye kekam ko na ye ka sempa anya ene bibia hihye yi amount ni ye kakra baka se ye dede ba o free bia wo na ba normal ground so na be wo se o be se yen wi a now also sorry 4 am ni bia sabre bia na ka echi so bobokoko na ka echi e na wotumi Francis ya papa gu akwemu and construction plans are far advanced. It's on the drawing board and it's in the pipeline. So from the 1992 year koswa ka abajuma bia no madruhi also hye gu akwemu onka se ayeda abajuma bia madruhi also enche bia etu anamo abajuma bia madruhi also oh bibia dia dance se e bia me bosume no ye be sha se ye sha abajuma bia sida ene wi abajuma bia so da we dey se mun fa ni die man we cannot go through what you are going through. So a conversation with the telcos and NCA and all relevant bodies in ebe boa Ghana ni na dignified. Yen mo nyam here pa o. Nyi e se ebe so no na control SIM card registration. Yen mo nyam ehian. Ma mo ntutu yen mo nyam na mo ntutu ejijasa. Ye do be ye kandi for nye president asem na make. Ye do be tua adwuma bi ano, ye do be si adwuma bi ano as director general, as chief executive, as whatever. Se oba boade nhihye papa gu akwam ama nipa na wo som mo na na so mo som no wo no mo ho atima hare omo. Don't sit in your comfort zones and assume that esan say we timi be register our office ntin sa na obi anya na obi aye. It's not true. It's not true. Now for me for kokobon so man Nestle Ghana mo sa mo krata na mo chiro ba bonte no e hye abufuo papa me menya ho akoto be American as American ni apa Who the inconvenience are there, man? Because any food safety issue. Food and drugs, there was someone to the crack about Mutu and Amose. But next way, you can't take us for granted. Crack and the crap, a chop pumpony crack him. Rather than more brushing it off. As you say, just a EBS, as you say, and you who say, we are never fat them and can be independent. Why not catch it? Why in the catch it? So young from Swa, I bet my money per Diana seem to Abema. Yes, saying your truck at Abetrabon teacher, Nestle for Munti. That's what you may be brave, so telco see to do your poor service. I feel food beverages, almost anybody any more dealing as well. Most women with impunity, more Cassache anyhow. It's in a mere media, me consume here, no mere no Adam to Adam if man pay me 200. Go on, got milk now for we now be milk now Bob Papa now we will not crack a she baby fear graphic mu natural and at the cocos in nano any food safety issue, any food and drug. Who told you that? Who told you that? It's you better sit up. All beverages in a colleague you better sit up. You better sit up because sir in your mom for any dear mother Ghanaian and the consuming public, you know, a very, very offensive. Mofa mudi or no mabibremu. We young from so crown and all quite first or no casa crown as or call mwabi. Mention me call moi. Mention me call moi. It's yet to say the old no you can't be now for what in our Nestle to the end. We're Nestle to the end. Yanyoma sefata. Not for any amount of consumers, no. When you do that, we also appreciate it. But when you issue releases a sakaka, the essence is a sakaka now for what now call baby. That's the problem. You need to respect a year of consumers, no. You appreciate also effort even in times of a crisis, no. In Casa Sakaka, and church or Kata Sakaka and Betraboti. The crack house here, Paula Domotri, Jacasano. Jacasa Bibino, Jacasa and Chimu Bibadeba, and a montoon a sin to Anamontu, and your papa. Another Messakin can cry, I was with Tiaka, I was with Katiana to say, and said, my. Tijasa, we are from Swa. Munya idea, Muyan. I don't know if him there. Oh, yes, in from Swa, G2 say, where the uncle ye. Fancy Mubiama. From 2016 to whatever, we don't need those explanations. It's like the politician can't say, even when you compare to them, and him saying this in modern man training, we don't expect you to repeat same and do same, and even worse. Now today I do question about chairman, I also know about you to me. With impunity, because of my way, we don't hold people responsible. Yankase don't beautify the place, but when we have concerns and we raise it, don't come and just. You know, rubbish as if say, I don't know why. What's the big deal about it? What's the big? It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Yes, I said to Christmas trees. Say yeah. And you give it not to the next time around. Please respect us. We made you where you are by being the board chairman. Without Ghana, who better not board chairman? Without Ghana, who better not board chairman? Timon Fanny, dear Mamma, yeah, Yantina Makunya baby, just give us the needed respect. Don't speak to us anyhow, in any manner. As if they were after what? Then a bit messy. That's the portion of the Muya train. Did the Muya be a mutimia because after what? After all, Pamon. For 2022, people in positions of relevance and authority, with impunity any year, Juma, you're the same, Ebeshiamu. Because yes, in 1992, and the progress of this country cannot be based on individual interests. It's the Ghana interest that we are continuing to serve. Timesre, a lot of lapses in your response to a lot of lapses. Come again. That because I'm Ghana for. I don't come and disrespect us like if you are not accountable to anybody. Yedbesia na Mashon crying. Ghana chance you muye. Blasters and lose by and just winning other 2 matches. Ghana. And let's think positive for Ghana. Machao. Bye bye.